morning, it's Hey Mom. Today I'm going to use my toaster oven, it's a Tovala oven, to make an easy breakfast. You can use any toaster oven to do this. These are all the ingredients that you need to do it. My immersion blender, an avocado, some Colby Jack cheese, some eggs. I have some gyro meat that's left over, which will taste delicious in this breakfast. I'm going to make some toast, and I have the pan on a little tin. You get these tins from Tovala when you order their meals. I save them so I can reuse them. They make great little reheat dishes for your toaster oven. That's what I'm using today. I take my Pyrex measuring cup, break 3 eggs into it. The next thing I do is I take my immersion blender and I beat the eggs. I like the eggs to be frothy so that they'll raise a little bit. Take the pan into the container. I use some leftover gyro meat. It's super flavorful. It'll make the egg taste excellent because it's already seasoned. You can use any kind of meat you like if you have some sausage. I like to use this because I don't like to waste food. I'm going to put this at the bottom of the little pan. You can use a ramekin or some other type of thing that you like to cook in, as long as it's safe for a toaster oven. Then I pour the egg mixture on top. I like to use Colby Jack cheese. It happens to be the cheese I have on hand, and I just gently set the cheese on top of the egg, like so. And then I put a little bit of spice on it. You can use any kind of spice that you like on your eggs. I basically, right now I'm using Mr. Dash salt-free. Just put a little bit of that on. And then I pop it into the Tovala oven or your toaster oven, whichever you have, and I put it in for 15 minutes. It goes in like that. Set it on bake. It's at 375. There it goes. While the toaster oven's doing its thing, I grab the bread and I make toast. I go ahead and get my avocado ready. Take the peel off. I shave off the unsightly parts. I can throw them into my composting bin. Slice my avocado. Then it's ready to be plated. The oven's done cooking, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out now. I lost my pot holders. Oh, there they are. It should look like this. Nice and brown, doesn't shake. Set it down to let it rest for a moment. The next thing I do is I gently loosen each side of the egg so that I can lift it out of the pan like that. I cut it. Into 2 pieces. Slip the knife underneath. Put piece number 1 on that piece of toast. It smells so good. The gyro meat I used was a mixture of beef, lamb, and pork. And then I take the avocado. Oops. Sometimes these little boogers are slippery. And I'm done. There we go. Time to serve it.